All right, let's take a look at this one where a student was asking me this week about this kind of problem. She's in the inequalities section of her Algebra 1 class. And so this is very similar to the one that she was asking me about. So first of all, notice that this is actually three questions. It's like 3 math problems. It's just kind of worded as one math problem. So are these points a solution of this inequality? Well, the answer is going to be yes or no to this point, and yes or no to this point, and yes or no to this point. So it's, 3 separate things. And so essentially, remember that a coordinate point is an XY coordinate, right? And so those values of X and Y can be plugged into the inequality. So let's do that. Let's test it and see. So where I see an X, I'm putting parentheses. Where I see Y, I'm putting parentheses greater than or equal to -4. Okay, so X is -1 and Y is 0. And I'm going to put a question mark here. I want to know, is this greater than or equal to -4? If it is, then yes, that's a solution. If it's not, then it's not a solution. Okay, so 2 times -1 is -2 minus 0. I'll bring everything down. -2 minus 0, that seems kind of odd, right? But -2, don't take away anything, don't change it. It's just -2. -2, is that greater than -4? Yeah, it is. If you want to think about it on a number line, if 0 is here, and then -1, -2, -3, -4, we'll even put in a positive number if that helps you to see like where the greater numbers are. The greater numbers are over on this side. The smaller, lesser numbers are on this side. And so I'll write greater over here. And so if we see -2 is here and -4 is here, then -2 is on the greater side. So yeah, this is true. So the answer to this one would be yes. And then you just do the same thing for all of these. So if you got that, then you can stop watching the video. You know what to do. And if you don't, then let's keep going. Okay, so now we're going to do 3, 4. So I'll change the color just to make it a little easier to see. 2x minus y greater than or equal to -4. I'm going to plug in for x and for y. And I'm going to say, is this true? So x is 3, y is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Is 2 greater than or equal to -4? It's greater. So yes. All right. So we've got 2 yeses so far. Let's try -4, 1. So 2 times x minus y greater than or equal to -4. I'm just taking that original equation or inequality and substituting the x values. This time x is -4 and y is +1. All right, 2 times -4 is -8. -8 minus 1 is -9. I'm going to bring this down. -9 greater than or equal to -4. No, if I think about my number line, if I extended it out, -9 somewhere out here, that is less than -4. So that is not true. So this is not a solution. All right, I hope that helps. See you next time.